Here is the first phone in India that is launching this year, the Vivo X100 series. Vivo is coming up with a new camera-centric flagship smartphone. Actually, the X series in the Vivo are mainly meant for the cameras. You are watching Tech Vendor. Let's get into the X100 series. The X100 series comes up with a flagship next-gen chipset, a top-notch display, and a good and impressive camera setup. This camera setup features a large 1-inch main camera and a periscopic lens, along with that an autofocusing ultra-wide lens. Only this camera setup makes this phone stand out from the other phones of the Vivo in the market. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The camera setup includes the 100mm periscopic telephoto lens, which has a floating lens. This helps us to focus on close subjects as well as the objects which are far away. Coming to the main camera, this has JI's 1-inch main camera with Sony IMX989 sensor. Along with that, it has 50MP periscopic lens and a 50MP autofocusing ultra-wide lens. All the three cameras in this series are meant for 50MP. This series improves a lot in the low light photography, and they added a new feature called telephoto sunshot, which is more useful while we are capturing the sunset using the telephoto lens. Just because of this phone comes with JI's partnership, we can able to shot portraits in multiple focal lengths ranges from 24mm to all the above to 100mm. This packs with a MediaTek Dimensity 9300 processor, which is the nearest competitor for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Which is built on 4nm technology, which is power efficient. Along with this, it has Vivo V3 chip. It is built on 6nm technology. It acts as the another processor especially for the photos and to record 4K cinematic portrait videos. This has 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. And this display also supports HDR10 Plus video and with 10-bit color depth. This runs on FunTouchOS 14 based on Android 14. Please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.